Welcome back to another episode, everybody. I am here in Sebastian Inlet. Yes, you guys heard right. I'm in Sebastian Inlet. Unfortunately, I was supposed to do a West Coast tour, and a storm came out of nowhere. I was going to meet with some YouTubers in Sanibel and Marco Island, but unfortunately, things happened, and this thunderstorm is there, strong right now. And of course, it has followed me all the way to Sebastian. Park rangers just told me they will be closing around 7 p.m. So I got about 3 or 4 hours to fish out here. It is also storming here. That is why I'm extremely wet. But I'm gonna head out there now, see if I can get on some fish. Anything out there. I will be using some live bait and also some soft plastic to see if I can get on. So if it's your first time watching my channel, help me out. Hit that subscribe button and hit that thumbs up if you guys enjoy this week's episode. It is raining, so and I'm sorry guys, you can't hear me as well out there because right now, as you can see, it is not the best conditions to be fishing. But I'm gonna give it a try, y'all. Let's go. Alright everybody, all we're gonna be using today is the 2-ounce 30-pound leader 5-0 hook and a Mojaro, guys. Light little Mojaros. We're gonna be casting them over here right now, see if there's anything out here. It is about to storm. It is red flagged. It is none of the conditions you want to be out here, but I'm still gonna try and see if I get on some fish for y'all. Right, let's go. Look at that right here, everybody. Right now it's crazy about the rain. Let's see. Had to switch up my weight because they are hitting in the bottom, but there's a bunch of jacks here right now. Bunch of jacks right now, guys. Let's see. Hopefully I do get a hit. Oh, he's playing with it. He is playing with it, guys. He's pulling it right now. Let's see if he takes off. Come on, buddy. Come on, big boy. We need a 40-pound, 30-pound jack. That's what we're looking for, guys. Hopefully I do get him. We're on, guys. We're on. We're on, guys. There we go. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. What's your Instagram, man? What's your Instagram?
Salty Shore Fishing.
There you go, guys. Appreciate this dude right here. Hooked me up with some bait. Decided to come out here because there's a thunderstorm happening in Sanibel, which I was gonna be fishing with somebody else, but it's all right. All right, guys. First one up right now for me. Little one. We're just getting started, guys. All right, guys, we're on. There we go. Oh, that's a big boy jack. Ah, cut it off. It's all good. Ooh. Ooh, here we go, guys. He's running. Oh, he is fighting. Oh, there we go. Let's see, guys. See if we bring him in. See if we bring him in, guys. See, there you go, guys. Nice jack. Nice big jack. There you go, guys. Another one. Another one, guys.
Yeah.
Another one, guys. Yes. Another one, guys. That's
Oh, yeah. This one, yeah.
There you go, guys. Another. We've been giving them away. Yeah, everything's yours, buddy.
Yeah, all right.
Everything's yours, guys. Oh, there we go. There we are, guys. Another one. Another one. They are keeping the jacks. I guess the jacks are good. I've never ate them before, but they say they make a delicious meal. There they are. There we are, guys. Woo, here we go, guys. Another one. Let's go. Another one. One after the other one, guys. One after the other one right now. Just fun. Something to do here. Like I said, we are fishing a storm right now. We only got a few hours. They are actually going to be closing the park at 7 o'clock. So, trying to get on some fish for y'all. Let's see. Is it a jack? Or is it more jacks? Yep, another jack, guys. School of jack coming by right now. It's just fun. It's just fun, guys. We're doing it for fun right now. Here we are. There we are, guys. Here we are. Go ahead, buddy. Man, I want a big old, big jack. 40-pound jack. That's what I want like last time.
Alright.
Huh? 15 pounds?
Yeah.
That's what I want, right? This is intense, guys. There's a thunderstorm coming, and look at them. Everybody hooking on fish right now. Jacks after jacks right now. Look at that. It's insane right now. I'm throwing out right now, and I'm getting broken off by big ones, but I'm still going after them. We are using mojaras right now, guys. We're on, guys. We are on. This jack after jack. Ooh. Let's see if we get them in. Let's see if we get them in. Not a big jack, but still fun to catch. There's a storm coming. Woo. There you go. There we go, guys. Sorry. Here we are. Another one, guys. Back to back to back. There you go, guys. Bunch of jacks right now. For dinner, right?
Oh, yes. Yes.
For dinner, guys. There he is.
Yeah.
Guys, we're on. We're on. Let's see what it is, guys. He hit it. He hit it. Let's see. Oh, he came. Might be a little small jack, guys. Little small jack, guys. Barely.
God, I'm not a fool. This is only a strike. Oh, we're gonna walk.
Oh, that's a big boy right there.
Oh, yeah.
You got him right there, bud. Oh, that's a big boy right there. That's about 300 pounds. Walk him this way, walk him this way.
That's a big one.
That's a 300 pounder, man. Huh?
There's many fucking hoots in the mouth.
Yeah, man. Look at that size, that's a Goliath, guys. Oh, you got him right there. Go, guys. We're trying to bring this Goliath up. Oh, look at this, guys. Holy.
God damn.
Yo, I gotta get a picture of that.
Fucking arrested for this.
Yeah, guys. That's crazy. Okay. Guys. All right, everybody. Park is closing, unfortunately. There is a huge storm coming this way. Storm that I'm talking about is the Sanimo. It's a huge storm that's hitting the area. So I'm gonna get out of here. Did break off 2 snook. Was trying to get it on video, but as soon as they hit, they went to the rock. So hey, unfortunately, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys enjoyed this week's episode, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next one. Get out there, go fishing, y'all. Let's go.